Here is a reference photo. It's a bit complicated, so decide how to simplify it and draw it. So this is the time to find your own style and to develop your style. I will cut down on part of the house and remove these trees here. And this large tree will turn into a red bougainvillea. Okay, I will draw like this. Okay, let's get started. And I already finished pre-sketching in a small sketchbook and watercolor paper. Okay, here are all my materials: clean water and colors: Prussian blue, ultramarine deep, viridian, sap green, and vermilion, and crimson lake, burnt umber, and burnt sienna. Watercolor paper, 2 brushes, and paper towel, and I'm going to use tiny disc brush. Okay. Apply water in flower pot with Hwahong number 5 mop brush. One or 2 times. And take some watery Prussian blue, number 1 density, paint on the sky and another lower part of the flower area. Wash the brush and blot on the paper towel and take out a small amount of water from paper. If it's too wet, we cannot paint properly. We are going to use wet on wet technique on the flower and sky area. So take a bit watery vermilion, add on the flower. This is the first layer. Take some vermilion mix, crimson lake. Add on the flower. This is a second layer. Yeah, look at my brush stroke. I'm touching the paper very lightly and slightly. It looks kind of like a dot. Push and dotting. I really enjoy painting the process of wet-on-wet technique. Look at how beautiful the colors mix together. Even I don't know until the finished product where they will end up. We will use wet-on-wet technique for all 3 layers of these flowers. For the third layer, crimson lake mix burnt sienna, number 4 density. We are just touching the paper with the tip of the brush. Pushy touching. Try to add this layer in such a way that allows the second layer to still show through. Apply here and there with a bit of spontaneous motion. Yeah, we can see the color of all layers. Switch the brush and clean the brush. Take some sap green for the lips. Sap green mix ultramarine deep. This color is my favorite color for lips. This color paint on the lip, number 4 density. This is ultramarine deep and sap green. Just touching the paper, the tip of the brush. Not too much, push the paper. Clean the brush, and then next for the chimney. We are going to take some burnt sienna for the chimney. The color is burnt sienna and number 1 density. This is a brick chimney. This is the first layer with burnt sienna, and the burnt sienna mix burnt umber. Draw some brick lines. After it dries, I will add the shape of bricks in detail. And clean the brush again. Mixing Prussian blue, ultramarine deep, and burnt umber. Next, let's paint the window with number 4 density because it's daytime and we cannot see inside. So windows should be painted dark color. Yeah, especially under the tree. Tree made shadow on the window area. This color we mixed Prussian blue, ultramarine deep, and burnt umber. Clean the brush again, and ultramarine mix, burnt umber, adding one more layer on the window. Viridian mix, Prussian blue, and permanent green light. Paint on the entrance door. Draw vertical lines down gently with this Prussian blue, Viridian, and permanent green light. Use the same color for the shutters. I like this color. Prussian blue mix Viridian. When this paper dries, we can go back and add the lines for the shutters. Okay, next step, draw the vine-like trunk. I'm painting this with wet and dry. Switch back and forth between heavy pressure and light pressure for the trunk. Please don't draw the vine all the same thickness. Some part little bit thick, some part little bit thin. This color is burnt sienna. Clean the brush and pick up the burnt sienna mix vermilion. Paint on the wall area. Just push the brush horizontal line, touching the paper, and draw the short lines, vertical line and horizontal lines. Today's class we used our deeper understanding of wet on wet technique. I hope you can come to appreciate this technique as much as I do. It's the hardest technique to master in watercolor. Many students struggle with this, but if you can master this technique, your painting skill becomes so open and free. Change the brush. This brush is Escoda pointed round thin brush. Draw the line and draw the oblique. Okay, today's class almost done. Next class we will finish this painting. It will be our last lecture. I look forward to see you in next class. See you next time. Bye.